Hello and welcome back. Today we have an interesting geometry math problem. The problem is we have three circles inside a rectangle. Whole radius is 1 unit each, and our job is to find the area of the rectangle. Most people think this problem is easy. After all, the radius is right there. But the moment you start solving it, we get completely stuck. So today, let me show you the trick that makes this problem simple. Okay, let's understand the problem carefully again. We have this rectangle, and inside the rectangle there are three identical circles, whose radius is 1 unit each. These circles touch each other as well as the edges of the rectangle. Okay, let's start to find the area of rectangle. Consider the length of the rectangle is x units, and the width of the rectangle is y units. We know that the area of a rectangle is length times length, so area equals x times y. We don't know what the length and the width are, but don't worry, we are going to find them using tricks. Look, each circle has a radius of 1 unit. If we draw a radius to the edge of this circle, it is also 1 unit. The same here. We draw a radius to this edge, and it is also 1 unit. These radii touch each other and also touch the sides of the rectangle. So, if we add these radii, they equal the width of the rectangle, which we denote by x. So, this becomes 2, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. And that is the width of the rectangle. Now, let's find the length, y. We know this radius is 1. Here, we draw a radius and it is also 1. If we draw a line here to the edge of the rectangle, this is also the radius and it equals 1. But we don't know this middle part. Now here this method failed, but don't worry, we use another method now. We connect the centers of the circles. By connecting the centers, a triangle is formed. Look, this is the radius and it equals 1. So, this line is made up of two radii. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this side equals 2, and the same applies to the other sides. All sides equal 2. Now, we have all the side lengths. If we draw a line in the center, this is the height of the triangle, denoted by h. Now, we are going to find this height. Look, this makes a right triangle here. Now it's easy to find the height by using Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, we know hypotenuse squared equals base squared plus perpendicular squared. Here, base is 1 unit and hypotenuse is 2 units, but we don't know the perpendicular, which is h. So it becomes 1 squared plus h squared equals 2 squared. 1 plus h squared equals 4. H squared equals 3. Taking the square root gives us h equals square root of 3. So this line equals square root of 3. Now, if we draw a radius here and add everything together, it gives us the length of the rectangle. So, 1 plus square root of 3 plus 1 equals 2 plus square root of 3. Now, we have both the length and width of the rectangle. So we now find the area. Area equals x times y, which equals 4 times 2 plus square root of 3. By solving this, it gives us 14.93, and that is the area of the rectangle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.